MFY 01 Operation Video. Check packing list. Check the accessories according to the packing list. The list includes leak tester, vacuum chamber, instruction manual. Customer shall read instruction manual carefully in order to know how to operate the tester. Certificate of approval, power cord, fuse 1 ampere, 3 pieces, at the spare parts, 2-way joint, Fat 8 to Fat 6, the adapter used between the tester and gas source. Appearance instruction. The MFY 01 leak tester consists of 2 parts, the mainframe and the vacuum chamber. On the sides of instrument, there is a power switch, a fuse holder which holds a 1 ampere fuse inside, power port, and nameplate. The nameplate contains instrument information and serial number. It is the sole code to identify the instrument. Please keep it properly. In the rear of instrument, there are 2 filters and 1 vacuum generator. The control panel is in the front of the instrument. It contains display, function keys, and pressure gauge. Installation. Remove the bending tie on PU pipe from the hold of vacuum chamber. The air will get into the chamber. When the barometric pressure inside and outside the chamber is equal, press down the release sleeve of gas pipe and remove the PU pipe. Now the hold can be opened. Connect the instrument with attached power cord. Refer to the marks on sides of instrument. The port marked with clean compressed air is to be connected to customer's gas source with output pressure 6 bar. The port marked with connect vacuum chamber is to be connected to the gas inlet of vacuum chamber. Sample. The sample can be either a heat-sealed pouch, a bottle, or other sealed packages, which have been conditioned according to related standards. There should be some air inside the sample. Operation. Turn on the instrument. It's recommended to warm up the instrument for 10 minutes before test. Turn on the air compressor. Adjust the output pressure to 6 bar. Test water preparation. Pour some water into the vacuum chamber. For the sample which volume doesn't change a lot, the water level should be about 10 mm over the porous plate. For the flexible packages with bigger volume, the water level will rise as the sample inflates. Please prepare the water level in a proper position accordingly. It's required that water level is slightly higher than porous plate when the sample inflates completely in order to avoid accidents due to the introduced water in the instrument during vacuum generation. Use your hand to remove air bubbles on interval of the chamber. Otherwise, it will affect sight during test. This procedure will be held only when the test water is introduced to the chamber for the first time. With later use, you don't have to perform this procedure again until changing water. Use some water to wet the sealing ring and set a hold. This can help the chamber keep vacuum degree. There are 3 keys on the gauge. S key is used to show the options. Up and down arrow keys are used to change values. Firstly, press S key gently to get P1. P1 indicates the protective vacuum degree with kilopascal. For example, -79 kilopascal. Press up or down arrow keys to set the value. Press S key gently again. P2 will be displayed by turns. P2 value is the vacuum degree you are going to test with. Set it to -80 kilopascal. Then press S key again to save parameters, and LED will show you the current pressure. Now the setting of vacuum pressure is finished. The LCD screen on the instrument is used to show the dwell time. Setup key is used to set the dwell time. Plus and minus key can be used to change dwell time. Stop key is used to save the time. Press Setup key. At the moment, the buzzer makes sounds on and off. The figure on the left side of LCD flickers. Adjust the desired time by pressing plus or minus keys, for example 5 minutes, and press Stop key to save. At the moment, the buzzer stops working and the figure 5 on the left side of LCD stops flickering. The corresponding time, 300 seconds, will be displayed on the right side of LCD. The test key on control panel is used to start test. Reverse key can be used to enable the air enter into the chamber. Stop key is used to stop test. Press test key and vacuum generator inside the tester starts working. You can hear some sounds from the inner tester. In the meantime, pressure gauge will display real-time pressure. Once the pressure reaches preset value, -80 kilopascal, the vacuum generator stops working and dwell time will count down. During test, in case the pressure is higher than P1, that is -79 kilopascal, the generator will work automatically again. When dwell time comes to the last 10 seconds, the buzzer begins buzzing on and off again, which indicates the test will be over. The system starts reverse process automatically when dwell time becomes 0. When the pressure displayed on pressure gauge is 0 or close to 0, press Stop key and buzzer stop buzzing, which means the test is finished. After a blank test is finished, clean the bubbles in the chamber. After several times of these procedures, the air bubbles inside the water can be cleaned up for the best observation. Put the sample into the chamber. Set a hold on the vacuum chamber Make sure it's sealed well. Set the required parameters of the sample. Example: if the desired pressure is minus 60 kPa, P1 should be set to minus 59 kPa. P2 should be minus 60 kPa. The dwell time is 3 minutes. Press Test key to start. During the test, if you cannot see a mass of bubbles out from the packages until timeout, that means the sample has passed the test. If you can see successive bubbles out from the sample, it means there is a leakage. Now you don't have to wait. Just press Stop key, then reverse key to bring the air into the vacuum chamber. When the pressure is balanced, press Stop key to stop the test. After the test. After all the tests, please take the sample out of vacuum chamber. Set the hold on the chamber properly. Shut off power supply and gas source.